for our look at our forecast. I mean, being out there looks very hot and sunny. What can we expect for the rest of the day, John?
Well, the rest of the day pretty much the same like we did yesterday. We saw a few showers pop up and then they went away as the sun went down. Well, today we've got that ridge of high pressure still aloft over the Arklatex. It's oriented southwest to northeast with the spine of that over East Texas. So most of the showers have been occurring off to the east. But other than that, not a whole lot of rain in the eastern half of Texas. We did have some thunderstorms developing, as you can see the tops of those out in West Texas, but not anticipating those making their way to East Texas. Here's where the showers are today. They popped up over in Louisiana, down around Toledo Bend as they did yesterday, and one or two of them developed into the northern part of Sabine County and right into the northeast corner of St. Augustine County. Also down near the Houston and Trinity County line there east of Crockett, we got showers in progress. But other than that, not a whole lot of activity, not certainly as much as we had yesterday. Well, we didn't have much then either, but it was a little more than what we had today. This is what Futurecast shows as we go through the night. We'll have just some scattered clouds around, so we'll be calling it partly to mostly cloudy. Now, the model does paint in a slight chance of some of those heat type showers again tomorrow, not enough to really put in the forecast, kind of like the last couple of days. And as we look ahead to Monday, similar conditions with the heat still around and a little more moisture to work with. We could see those pop-up showers again, and the same thing on Tuesday. But the best chance is going to be later in the week when we start to see a shift in the pattern, and that should be coming our way about Thursday. Temperatures right now, though, we are above the average, which is around 90 degrees right now, and we're into the middle 90s across most of East Texas, and the dew points in the 60s, so we do have that moisture still available. A little bit on the dry side, but starting to pick up just a little bit. And when you combine that with the temperatures, gives us a heat index in the mid and in some cases the upper 90s, but certainly not around that 105 degree mark or higher where you start to see heat advisories, so no problems with that. Forecast lows for Sunday morning, we'll again be seeing temperatures upper 60s to most of them in the low 70s. And as we check your highs for Sunday afternoon, similar to what we have today, as we'll be seeing low to mid 90s on those high temperatures. Now, over the next 7 days, we're going to have a lot of sunshine. Again, a little bit of a change coming up Thursday with a 20% chance of showers and perhaps a thunderstorm or two. That should signal a weakening in that upper level ridge, so we might have some activity that carries over into the weekend as far as maybe a front getting down this way. Too early to say whether that'll actually happen or not, but it is possible we could get a cool front that'll be coming in here for the last couple of days of summer. Thursday in Deep East Texas, you'll also have a 20% chance of showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two. Your high temperatures in the 90s and your lows in the upper 60s. You can check that forecast anytime by going to our website, and that is KEZK.com.